Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video about Joplin. This week, we're introducing a very handy plugin to help you organize your tasks using a Kanban board. The plugin is called YesYouKan. It allows you to structure your notes visually in columns, a bit like on a whiteboard, which is perfect for tracking the progress of your projects or organizing your ideas step by step. To install it, head over to the built-in plugin manager in Joplin. If you're not sure how to do that yet, you'll find a link in the description to our video that walks you through the installation process step by step. Once YesYouKan is installed, creating a new Kanban board is really simple. Go to the Tools menu and select Create Kanban Board. 3 columns will automatically appear. You can change their titles, adjust their colors, or add more columns as needed. To create a card in one of the columns, just click the plus button. You can name the card, assign it a color if you like, and most importantly, link it to an existing note or create a new one directly from the card. The note will take the same title as the card, and you'll be able to add all the relevant details inside. This makes it easy to centralize everything in the right place. Once the note is created, it stays linked to the card, and you can open it anytime by double-clicking the card on the board. To take your organization even further, you can combine the plugin with Joplin's core features, such as tags, due dates, or reminders. For example, you can create a task, link it to a note, tag it as urgent, set a deadline, and even activate an alarm. If you're curious to see how the Kanban board is structured in Markdown, just click the eye-shaped icon in the top right corner of the note. That will show you the text version of the board, which can be useful if you want to copy or move it elsewhere. To go back to the visual view, simply click the icon again. We hope you'll enjoy using it and that it helps you better organize your projects and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon for another Joplin discovery. Have a great day.